Have you ever wondered how some dropshippers seem to always be ahead of the curve, stocking products that fly off the digital shelves while others struggle to make a single sale? What if I told you there's a platform that makes finding those winning products not just easy, but almost predictive? In the cutthroat world of e-commerce, staying on top of trends isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. The difference between a struggling store and a booming business often boils down to product selection. You can have the most beautiful website, the slickest marketing campaigns, and the most optimized checkout process, but if you're selling products nobody wants, it's all for naught. Think about it. The market is constantly shifting. What was hot last month might be old news today. Consumer preferences evolve, new technologies emerge, and social media creates viral sensations overnight. Trying to manually keep tabs on all of these shifts can feel like a full-time job in itself, leaving you with less time to actually run your business. This is where tools become invaluable, and today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful platforms for dropshippers looking to unearth those hidden gems. Spocket. Now, Spocket isn't just another dropshipping marketplace. It's designed to connect you with high-quality suppliers, primarily from the US and Europe, offering faster shipping times and often better product quality than many of the alternatives. But its real power, and what we're going to unlock today, lies in its ability to help you identify trending products. Forget endless scrolling through AliExpress or guessing what might be popular. Spocket provides features and strategies that, when used correctly, can give you a significant edge in the market. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. What exactly defines a trending product in the dropshipping world? It's not just about what's currently popular on social media, although that's a factor. A truly trending product for dropshipping often possesses several key characteristics. High demand but relatively low market saturation, a perceived value that justifies a good profit margin, a wow factor or problem-solving capability, and ideally, a product that's easily marketable through visuals and concise descriptions. Finding these products consistently is the holy grail for any dropshipper. So, how do you leverage Spocket to find these elusive trends? Let's break it down into actionable steps and explore the features Spocket offers. The first place you want to start is Spocket's best sellers and trending categories. These are your immediate go-to. Spocket actively monitors sales data and user activity across its platform to highlight products that are currently performing well. The best sellers list is a no-brainer. These are products that have already proven their popularity. While competition might be higher for these, they offer a solid starting point and validation that there's existing demand. The trending section, however, is where things get really interesting. This is where Spocket attempts to identify products that are seeing a surge in interest, indicating potential upcoming trends. Don't just blindly import these, investigate them further. Next, you need to master Spocket's powerful filtering and search capabilities. Don't just type in broad terms. Get specific. Are you looking for products in a particular niche? Use the category filters. Are you targeting a specific demographic? Consider filtering by product type or even looking at products with a certain aesthetic. Crucially, pay attention to the new arrivals section. While not explicitly trending, new arrivals can often be early indicators of what suppliers are investing in, and new products often come with less competition. You can be one of the first to market. Now, here's a pro tip. Look for products that offer a solution to a common problem or enhance an existing experience. These are often the products that gain traction quickly because they provide tangible value. Think about a product that simplifies a daily chore, improves comfort, or makes a task more enjoyable. Spocket's product descriptions often highlight these benefits, so read them carefully. Another strategy is to analyze the product reviews within Spocket. While reviews are primarily for assessing product quality and supplier reliability, they can also indirectly reveal trends. If a product has a sudden surge in positive reviews, especially those highlighting a specific feature or benefit, it could indicate growing popularity. Pay attention to what customers are saying they love about a product. This insight can be invaluable for your own marketing efforts. Beyond Spocket itself, you need to combine its insights with external trend research. No single platform has a monopoly on trend data. Use Spocket to identify potential products, and then cross-reference those products with external trend spotting tools. For example, once you find a promising product on Spocket, head over to Google Trends. Plug in keywords related to that product and observe the search volume over time. Is it stable, rising, or declining? A rising trend on Google Trends, combined with a bestseller or trending tag on Spocket, is a powerful indicator. Similarly, explore social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. Search for relevant hashtags. Are people talking about this type of product? Are influencers showcasing similar items? TikTok, in particular, is a goldmine for viral trends. A product gaining traction there can quickly translate into significant sales. Look for user-generated content and organic discussions around the product. Consider using tools like Facebook Ad Library to see what competitors are running ads for. While this doesn't directly tell you what's trending, it can reveal what products are currently being heavily promoted, indicating that others believe there's a market for them. This can also give you ideas for your own ad creatives. Don't underestimate the power of niche communities. Join relevant Facebook groups, Reddit forums, or online communities related to your chosen niche. People in these communities often discuss their pain points, desires, and what products they're looking for. This direct feedback can be an incredible source of product ideas that you might not find through traditional trend research. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.